get our
What?
thing. Okay, no.
Oh. What's that? Who is that? Oh, it's a coffee. No, not really. Almost there. Oh, there are many Mickey Mouse. Look at this one. Wallpaper. Donald. Again, our name. Oh, look at this, it's a nice view. Oh, almost swan.
It took us forever to
It makes sense.
Okay, well we know that I think there's an entrance around here, so we so it should be good.
Last time they put the hair dryer,
Yeah, that's good.
but it's iron,
Oh.
so it's not hair dryer.
A little iron.
Oh,
Let me see.
close?
Dry clean.
Okay. Same as Grand Prix, they use the animation.
Little.
They don't use the tea pack anymore. It's a K-cup. Mini fridge. Oh, it's a shower style. Oh, that's different.
Can't, like, all the rides are really, really bad. Then we can just come back to the hotel for a while.
They let us do it. If we keep walking that way, it's Hollywood, right?
I don't know how long Hollywood starts. If you can walk in. Though.
Maybe one day we can try. Yeah, it's windy.
Oh, this
It's really bad day.
is a ill-timed tree.
I think they open like after 3 or 4. What time it is?
It's like 3, 4.
Oh, there is
Almost 4.
there is a hamster.
You want to try to win it?
I think They open till midnight or something,
I
right?
think so. The little penguin looking dude.
Oh, maybe lobster
that's
one,
the
the
lobster
Pyong.
tub.
Yeah. The orange tree is nice. It's not busy today.
They have separate salads.
This way.
You want the lamb and the shrimp? Those were the two of the ones we liked the most last time.
So we check a bakery first. Pecan bun and cinnamon. And muffin. So nice dress. lost the.
Oh,
Can he make it?
I believe him.
Thank you.
Brave, stop. You okay? We need 4 brave volunteers. All you have to do is stay. All of you, follow me. And that, ladies, are you ready? Cause here we go. Hand, hand, hand. Now down.
Okay. Waiting at the table.
So have you gotten served yet?